Hello and welcome to this video about the future of artificial intelligence and how people will benefit from it. As we move further into the 21st century, it becomes clear that artificial intelligence, or AI, is going to play a major role in our lives. From self-driving cars to personal assistants like Siri and Alexa, AI is already beginning to transform the way we live and work. One of the most obvious benefits of AI is that it can save us time and effort. Imagine having a personal assistant that can handle all of your appointments, manage your emails, and even do your grocery shopping for you. AI can take on these tedious tasks, freeing up time for you to do the things that you enjoy most. In the healthcare industry, AI has the potential to revolutionize the way we diagnose and treat diseases. By analyzing medical records and other data, AI can help doctors identify patterns and correlations that might not be apparent to the human eye. This can lead to earlier diagnosis and more personalized treatment plans, potentially improving patient outcomes. AI can also be used to improve public safety and security. For example, AI-powered surveillance systems can analyze video footage in real time and alert authorities to potential threats or criminal activity. Similarly, AI-powered security systems can detect and respond to intrusions in homes and businesses, helping to prevent break-ins and other incidents. On a broader scale, AI has the potential to help us address some of the most pressing challenges facing society today. For instance, AI can be used to analyze data on climate change and help us come up with solutions for reducing carbon emissions and mitigating the impacts of global warming. AI can also be used to help us better understand and address social issues such as poverty and inequality. Of course, there are also potential risks and concerns associated with AI. Some people worry that AI could lead to widespread job displacement, as machines take over tasks that were previously done by humans. Others are concerned about the ethical implications of AI, such as the potential for biased algorithms to perpetuate discrimination. It is important that we address these concerns as we move forward with the development of AI. However, the potential benefits of AI are simply too great to ignore. By embracing this technology and working to ensure that it is used ethically and responsibly, we can create a brighter, more prosperous future for all. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it informative and insightful. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Subscribe for more interesting videos about AI.